Hello friends, Megha here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's code them up. Have you guys read Dark Places by Gillian Flynn? I have recently finished it. I also wrote a small review about it. You can find the link in the description box below. It is a pretty awesome murder mystery. It is a story about a girl who loses her family at a very young age in a horrible episode. When she grows up, she ventures on a journey to find out what exactly transpired that day. Read it if you like a decent mystery in your lives. Enough about the book. In this video, we will be learning about optionals data type. First things first, let's open Xcode. I have already created an optionals file which you can see here. Let's open it. Optionals data type is exclusive to Swift. You wouldn't find it in any other programming language such as Java or Python. In our previous video, we deliberated upon type safety of Swift. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and click on the link in the description box below. Not just with types, Swift is otherwise also a very safe language. In case of Java, null values can be assigned to variables and constants. That is not allowed in Swift. Why not assign a null value to Swift variable and see for ourselves? Here, I am declaring a variable var where color as a string, string is equal to nil, and I am assigning a null value to it. Oh, we see that compiler immediately throws an error null cannot initialize specified type string. Let's consider another example. This time a constant of integer type let age int equal to nil. Similar error occurs in this one too. This proves you can never assign null value to any integer or constant in Swift. It can also be seen that compiler is suggesting a fix to add a question mark around type int or string to make them optional. Swift has given this feature so that you can have a variable or constant which, if not initialized, can contain a null value. What are we waiting for? Let's remove this error from both our variable and constant by making them optional types. I'm adding a question mark here on string and after int. We can clearly see error vanishes just like magic. Now we are going to assign a value to our variable. I'm assigning red in double quotation marks to the variable fab color. I'm also commenting out our integer constant. You can see that red is printed in this results section here. But we must check if we can assign an integer value to this string optional. Shouldn't we? I'm assigning 78 to the variable fab color. Compiler has thrown an error. Cannot convert value of type into specified type string. It means we can only assign nil or string value to this optional variable. So far, we have discussed two major items. Optionals are declared using a question mark. They can store either null value or a value of that particular type. Let's try and use this optional variable. Print fab color. It is being printed, but we can see it has got itself wrapped inside optional keyword. We wouldn't want that while using it somewhere else, right? So how do we unwrap an optional value? We do it by placing an exclamation mark after the variable while using it like this. After fab color, we are inserting an exclamation mark. We can see now only red is printed. Another concept that needs to be seen is of optional binding. It can be used to find out whether an optional variable contains a value or nil. An example, if let color equal to fab color, print color, else print no color. We get an output of red. Do notice that this red is not wrapped in an optional keyword, even though we haven't unwrapped fab color using an exclamation mark. So what is happening here? This if let first checks whether there is a value present for fab color. If there is a value present, like in this case, then that value gets unwrapped and assigned to the constant color. And next statement, print color, gets executed and you are given the output of red without the keyword optional. So, if we change this value of fab color to nil, then we get the output as no color as expected. We will learn more on the if else and other control flow statements in the next video. Till then, practice optionals and leave your questions and thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for awesome videos like this.